turns Hoodies into NFTs with the help of Frank Ape. So guys, we're going to be checking out this article on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. Article was done by Concepcion Akahilz. So table of content changing times. So Gap has become the latest brand to jump on the NFT bandwagon, announcing plans to tokenize Hoodies. The troubled fashion brand's non-fungible tokens which range in price from $8.03 to $415, and some of them will be accompanied by a physical sweatshirt too. So things get even more surreal considering that Gap is collaborating with Brandon Signs for the limited edition drop. He's the artist behind Frankie, a Sasquatch-like creature who lives in New York City amongst the humans, but without human restrictions. So Chris Gobbo, the fashion retailer's chief product officer and general manager, said, Gap has always been at the intersection of music, art, and culture, so we are excited about this growth opportunity in the digital space with artists like Brandon Science. The NFTs are gradually going on sale. 4 degrees of rarity are on offer. It's a common, rare, epic, and one of a kind. Tether's blockchain has been selected for the launch because of how it can operate with minimal energy consumption and low carbon footprint. So one image provided by Gap shows Frank Ape dancing in a colorful Gap hoodie. So guys, here's a picture. I think it's a great look. I think it's a great So it's hoped that NFT sale will enable Gap to learn more about how their customers want to engage in digital-led world. So you guys want to check out CoinMarketCap podcast available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify for more crypto updates. So changing times, all of this comes as a growing number of fashion brands delve into the world of digital assets, with Nike even purchasing a company that makes virtual sneakers as it attempts to secure a foothold in the metaverse. So Gap's foray into NFTs comes as the company grapples with some pretty dire financials. Exacerbated by the coronavirus pandemic, it suffered a net loss of $152 million in the third quarter of 2021 compared with a net income of $95 million a year earlier. So supply chain issues and COVID-related factory closures were blamed for the tepid performance. So guys, that's what we have on CMC today. Feel free to like, share these videos, you buy keys. Stay tuned for more guys. Peace out and much love.